Today we are in Oxon Hill, Maryland, 7902 Oxon Hill Road. As it currently stands, this property has 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, and by the end of this renovation, we are going to increase that to 4 bedrooms and a den and 3.5 bathrooms. I'm excited to share this journey with you guys. It's going to be approximately 3.5 months from start to finish, and we're going to go ahead and ride this thing out together. Now, the original layout when we first purchased this house is that there was a door right here where you see this wall. Now, I can already imagine why they had that door there, because that door led to a secondary living room. In between the secondary living room and the kitchen, there was a laundry room, right? So it kind of gave that easy access. If you were cooking something, you wanted to check on the clothes, or you wanted to go ahead and check out, you know, what was on TV in the next secondary living room. I get the concept. However, the problem to that we faced was that that door ate up so much space in the kitchen that by closing it off, and this is the reason why we close it, but closing it off, it gave us an additional 3 feet of countertop space that will allow that new homeowner more elbow room for that Thanksgiving preparation dinner, or for prepping that carne asada for the family and for the friends. All right, so now enough of the kitchen. I'll see you guys in the basement. Now, one of the reasons why we decided to purchase this house, and actually one of our investment strategies that we have with our partners, is we specifically look for homes that have either unfinished basements, partially finished basements, or basements that were just poorly renovated. And this house, we decided to acquire it because the basement was completely unfinished. So for an artist, right, or for an investor, that's pretty much a blank canvas. But ultimately here in the basement, what we're going to end up doing is we're having this huge living room area along with an additional den with an additional full bath. So we're adding additional value to the house, not only with more square footage, but the house originally had 2.5 bathrooms. With this other bathroom here in the basement, now it's going to have 3.5 bathrooms. All right, so that's all I got to say about this guy. All right, I got to get going because these guys want to keep working on the house. I'll see you guys at the grand reveal. Have a great day. Welcome back. The day has finally arrived. We're here for the grand reveal of 7902 Oxon Hill Road, Oxon Hill, Maryland. When we got this house, it was tore up from the floor up, and now you guys are about to see the transformation that has happened within. I can't wait till you guys see it. Come check it out. And despite that the property hasn't even hit the market yet, we've had a ton of interest of buyers wanting to make an offer on this property before it hits the market. And that, my friends, to Primavera Homes and in the investment realm, is music to our ears.